The Rig Veda is the earliest and most important Vedic text for UPSC preparation. Composed in Vedic Sanskrit around 1500 to 1000 BCE, it is the oldest Indo-European text and the primary source for understanding early Vedic society, religion and culture. The Rig Veda is organized into 10 mandalas containing 1028 hymns and more than 10,000 mantras. Mandalas 2 to 7 are known as family books because they were composed by specific priestly families. Rigvedic civilization developed mainly in the Sapta Sindhu region of northwestern India. Rivers like Indus and Saraswati are frequently mentioned in the hymns, while the Ganga appears only rarely, indicating the western geographical focus. Rigvedic religion was mainly based on nature worship. Indra was the most prominent god, Agni represented the sacred fire, and Varuna symbolized cosmic order called Rata. One of the most important concepts in the Rig Veda is Rata. It represents the cosmic order that governs the universe and human life. This idea later developed into the concept of dharma in Indian philosophy. Many hymns of the Rig Veda were composed by specific priestly families like Angiras, Kamva and Vasisht. Mandalas 2 to 7 are called family books because they were composed by these hereditary priestly lineages. Rigvedic hymns follow strict poetic meters. The most important meters include Gayatri, Trishtubh and Jagti. These meters were essential for correct recitation in Vedic rituals. The Rigvedic economy was mainly pastoral. Cattle were the main source of wealth and status. Barley called Yava was the major crop mentioned in the Rig Veda. Rigvedic society was tribal in nature. The basic unit was the family, and tribes were known as Jana. The Varna system existed in early form but was not yet rigid. Rigvedic political life included assemblies like Sabha and Samiti. Sabha was a council of elders, while Samiti was a broader tribal gathering that participated in decision-making. Some Rigvedic hymns explore deep philosophical ideas. The famous Nasdya Sukta questions the origin of the universe and reflects early speculative thought in Indian philosophy. For centuries the Rig Veda was transmitted orally. Priests memorized the hymns with remarkable precision using specialized chanting techniques, ensuring accurate preservation of the text.